Hello friends, today I'd like to guide how we can upload videos on YouTube with an SEO friendly way. So here is my channel and let's upload a video. Just let me switch to another channel. Yeah, I'll be uploading in this channel and I need to open ChatGPT. It's my title. Okay, then click on content. Create, upload video, select files. This one I'll be uploading. BD jobs, job apply, BD jobs, job search. Let's upload it. Now I will use this as title and description. Now let's open edit doc where I have kept a command to write a video description with tags and hashtags. So let's paste this command, write a long YouTube video description on the above title. This is the title actually of 1 up to 150 words. Anyway, let's write using the ChatGPT or AI. Yeah, ChatGPT just wrote this. Then we can just design and upload and very engaging thumbnail. Thumbnail is really important because I think 80% video clicks or impressions comes from the video thumbnail. Now let's choose a playlist like BD jobs. Oh, there is no relevant playlist, so let me create a relevant playlist. BD jobs, BD jobs. Let's create and select, then job apply. Yeah, then one more thing, this is the hashtags which are really important because if we use hashtags, those can be ranked and found through the search in the YouTube. Now use the tags. Tags can be also searched using YouTube search feature. So this is very important. And the video is actually Bengali. Language is Bengali. Man,
হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমরা দেখব যে আমরা কি
yes, the video language is Bengali. Now you can choose relevant category. It's important. My niche is or category is education. Now let's click on next. No, it's not for kids. Now next, next. Very simple. Just uploading with the few steps successfully. So finally the video is uploaded and here is the link. And we can also find this video under the content section. So thank you friends.